Hi, I'm Annika from MSR. Today we're going to walk through how to use and maintain your DynaLock trekking poles. This applies to all three pole series: Trail, Explore, and the Ascent. First up, let's go over how to change out the baskets on your poles. All DynaLock poles come with a set of winter and summer baskets. You can also purchase replacement baskets on the MSR website.
DynaLock poles have threads that the baskets screw onto, so make sure you're not just pushing them off or on, as this can damage the threads. To remove the existing baskets, first pour hot water, not boiling water, over the threads to soften them and loosen any dirt inside. Hold the bottom pole section firmly, unscrew the basket counterclockwise, and slide it off. If the baskets are still too difficult to unscrew, apply some WD-40 to help loosen the connection. To install new baskets, first fill a bowl with hot, not boiling water and submerge them. Let the pieces soak for a couple of minutes.
This makes them more pliable and easier to install.
While you wait, clean and dry the ends of the poles. Dry off one basket, then place it onto the pole end. Make sure it's facing the correct way. Gripping the pole end firmly so it doesn't spin, press down on the basket and turn it clockwise onto the threads. Be careful of the carbide tip during this process. It's sharp.
Make sure to catch the threads correctly.
Continue applying pressure and screw the basket on until it's flush with the end of the threads. Repeat with the other pole and basket.
If you have trouble getting the baskets on, you can also use a little WD-40. Just make sure to clean it off when you're done. The pole's DynaLock mechanisms are quick and easy to adjust for your height and the trail slope you're on.
Just flip open the lock, move the pole section to your preferred length, and lock the mechanism flat again. Make sure to adjust each section to the same numbered height for best performance. If the lock is too loose or difficult to close, you can easily adjust the tension by opening the locking mechanism and turning the tension dial the correct way, positive to tighten, negative to loosen.
It's important to occasionally clean your poles, including the DynaLock mechanisms and pole lengths. If too much dirt and grime build up, it can interfere with the movement and damage the poles over time.
Simply use some soap and hot water and make sure to dry the sections before storage or putting them back together. If the locking mechanisms are still stiff, you can also apply a little WD-40.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you out there.